Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So, as usual, we are going to analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll find out important levels for the next week and some important stock market update, stock in news update. So, to know the Nifty Bank levels and updates, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update and indices levels update. So, let's begin the video with important information. I have made the video on stock in news, which was HUL, where the demerger is going to happen, the big corporate action. So I have made video on the HUL demerger with the record date, ratio, and everything. I will give the video in I button. You please go through that video to get updated about the dates and everything. And please watch that video. Very important. And of course the Kotak Mahindra also announced their corporate action. I will make another video, separate video for the Kotak Mahindra Bank also. And keep your notification on so that you will get the all the information about the stock in news on time, on right time. So I'll make the video on Kotak Mahindra also very soon. So this was the important stock in news update I wanted to mention. And now the thing is important thing which I want to share today, but I will elaborate and talk in detail in tomorrow Nifty 50 video I'm making on Sunday. I'll where I talk about the global market update. So there I will discuss in detail, and the news is that the rupee, INR, Indian rupees, is actually trading at its lowest level. Yes, rupee hit the record low of 18. Even it has crossed the 89 also, which was highest. So 89.5 के around भी rupees, Indian rupees, INR पहुंच चुका है. It has reached to more than 89.5, 89, above 89, and against the US dollar. So rupee hit the record low, and this is a big news is going on today. Now let's quickly come to the chart, and I want to discuss in detail what all happened and what all happening. As earlier 2 3 video I was discussing the weekly chart to show you all the elaborated picture, long term picture of the indices like Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. Today I'm again taking the daily chart and I will show you what all happened total in last week only. I'm talking about the last week, and I will show you. I have drawn these two important line, and you can see what all happened whole week. This is the whole week scenario. This box I'm taking. You can see. Please give your attention fully so that you can understand what all actually meaning of these candles and these charts. So this you can see this area. This is the whole week the Nifty Bank was doing, and you will know that the Nifty Bank again hit the all time high. The Nifty Bank has hit the new all time, which is 59,440 exact. I'm talking 59,440 on this Thursday only. Thursday को ही उसने all time hit किया the Nifty Bank, whereas the Nifty 50 is also actually Nifty 50 is also just is trying to touch the all time high. That I will discuss in detail tomorrow video. But there is also the Nifty 50 is almost has touched the all time high. In my earlier video also I kept discussing the 60,000 will be imminent after breaking that this जो कि इसका earlier all time high था, earlier highest point था, which was 58,577, जो कि it has taken a long period to break it. You can see long period, I can say, means 1 2 3, at least 1 month. I guess this was this all time high was on October, and the new all time it has touched on 20th November only. So we can say almost 1 month it has taken, the Nifty Bank has taken to to touch the new all time high and to give the breakout to break this earlier resistance of all time high, which was 57,000, I guess, yeah, 58,577 exact. So overall you understand this is the 20 EMA. Okay, so overall you understand this happened on October. In October, almost 1 month it has taken, it has touched the new all time high. 1 month it has taken to consolidate in this range of I can say 57,400 500 around, 400 या 300 भी कह सकते हैं, 57,300 से लेके यहाँ तक जो कि इसका ऑल टाइम था 58,000, 58,000 577 तक, 580 तक इसने, इट वाज कंसोलिडेटिंग इन दिस रेंज. And on Monday only, this was the resistance again. It took resistance on Friday, and the Monday only it has given a breakout. New breakout means broken this resistance of earlier all time high, given a very good up move. Even it was actually we can say slightly gap up opening also. Okay, and given a good breakout and went up also till ये तो breakout हो गया, तो then it was like एक दिन इसने थोड़ा सा pause लिया, and again then it went up, and just on Thursday just touched the new all-time high of 59,440, I can say 450 around. From there, on Friday, it happened like again down. You can see this candle, a red candle. It is looking very strong and big. So here again, full Friday, it was down, and yes, did not touch this level, but you can see जो कि earlier it was resistance, 57,000, 58,577 का जो resistance था, now it has become a support. Here you can see this line, now it has become a good support for the Nifty Bank again. और ये पूरा वीक इसने अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा अप मूव दिया है निफ्टी बैंक. आई कैन सी हियर, and even Nifty Bank is performing better than Nifty 50, because all banking stock also on watch list and performing very good, as the HDFC Bank, you can see even in SBI, Canara Bank, all the bank is performing very good, even NBFC also. So this move was very good for the whole week, but only last day of on Friday it went down. Reason, एक जो just I just mentioned, because of this I have mentioned that the rupees was trading at lowest level on Friday. This was the main reason. This may be one reason also, I can say. This support line 58,000, 58,600 around, I can say. अगर हम roughly लेके चले तो we can say 58,600. 58,600 का एक important support अफकोर्स रहेगा, but as we have to think as backup, we have to take a backup also. So after breaking this support, अगर break करता है निफ्टी बैंक, तो एक 20 EMA का एक सपोर्ट अगेन इट विल टेक हियर. मीन्स ये मूविंग एवरेज का सपोर्ट तो ऑलवेज रहेगा ही. सो दिस सपोर्ट विल बी शॉर्ट टर्म, फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म अगर ये ब्रेक होता है तो. एंड दिस सपोर्ट इज एक्चुअली वी कैन से 58,300. 58,300 you keep in your mind, be mindful with these 2 3 level of 58,300 and 58,600. एंड उसके ऊपर तो ये रेजिस्टेंस इसका नया बन गया है जो कि 59,450 अराउंड है. बट दिस resistance is not very strong, because only one time it has taken resistance. तो आई कैन से 60,000 तक ये भी ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच ही चुका है. and and anytime it may break this level and go to the 60,000. 60,000 can be a good resistance. अगर यहाँ पहुँचता है तो हो सकता है, we can see. But that we will talk later when it is breaking this. अगर इसको break करता है 15, 59,450 को, then immediately the 60,000 is actually imminent, which I keep always keep talking about this. Now I guess you got whole picture of शॉर्ट टर्म वीक का, जो कि मैं के वीकली बात कर रही हूँ, इसलिए अर्लियर आई वाज शोइंग द वीकली पिक्चर टू शो द लॉन्ग टर्म picture to you all, that last 1 month it all happened, this consolidation happened, breakout happened in this week only, went up and touched the new all-time high, and then again down, going down to the breakout level. Retest भी हो सकता है ये एक तरह का, we can say it may retest till here and again go back toward the 60,000, maybe possible for the short term. We will see, we will keep watch for this in next week. And but of course this retest level, this breakout level, is this support level is very important. 58,600, and then yeah, of course 58,300 important levels we can predict for the next week. And of course I have discussed the important stock in news update. Please watch those video for stock in news of HUL demerger. And yes, I will make the video of Kotak Mahindra also, and update about global market. I will discuss tomorrow video in detail everything with the Nifty 50 levels, Nifty 50 chart. So let's repeat the Nifty Bank important levels again. Important support is 58,600 and then 58,300. Important resistance is 59,450. Breaking this level, 60,000 is imminent. Like and share the video with others also, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock news update, and indices levels update. Signing off.